Hi everybody and welcome to ISA's Product Spotlight. This is Nick Dumeyer. We're back here in our repair lab. Today we're going to talk about our repair capabilities for the Silent Knight's Farenhyt IFP-1000. I'm actually standing here in front of the mock-up system. This is what we use to actually test the devices and the panel itself when we have some come in for repair. Now keep in mind we can repair these, so if you have a bad one you can send it in. Circuit board level repairs take about 3 to 5 days to go through the lab. We also are always looking for salvage parts when it comes to the IFP-1000, so that way we can try to keep a reconditioned inventory. If you have salvage parts, some to send in for repair, let us know. We'll be glad to set you up with either Mike Krieger or myself or one of the other account managers. Or if you have just questions about working with this, we'll be glad to help you out with things like peripheral devices, if you need an annunciator, things like that. Again, we work on this complete system. So again, this is the IFP-1000 from Silent Knight's Farenhyt, and we'll talk to you again soon.